Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
Instant Pot DUO60 QT7-in-1 multi-use programmable pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker and warmer. Most popular size, serves up to 6 people and perfect for everyday meals. Replaces up to 7 appliances, combines 7 kitchen appliances in one to save you space, including pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker, and warmer. Consistently great results, monitors pressure, temperature, keeps time, and adjusts heating intensity and duration to achieve your desired results every time. Best-selling model, monitors pressure, temperature, keeps time, and adjusts heating intensity and duration to achieve your desired results every time. Prepare dishes up to 70% faster. Easy to clean, fingerprint-resistant stainless steel lid and components and accessories that are dishwasher safe. Inner pot with 3-ply bottom for even cooking, steam rack with handles, serving spoon, soup spoon, and measuring cup. Safety, energy efficient and ALC certified with 10 safety mechanisms for peace of mind, smell containment, and automated cooking. Power supply 120 volt 60 Hz. Please check your voltage, if not in North America. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.